Good morning, parents. So here are the small few tips which we would like to give it to you while doing the coloring activity. Please ensure the child hold the crayon in 3 fingers, very important, and they start coloring in one particular pattern. You can just have a look at this. If they're coloring it in a horizontal shape, let it be there throughout the shape and start from one particular corner, and no zigzagging, no scribbling. This is how the coloring activity should be taken care. Okay?
Only wrist movement.
Yeah,
no
only
hand
the wrist movement. You can look at that. Only the wrist and the finger movements. Okay? And the other hand has to be on the table only. So both the hands' weight has to be on the paper.
They should not cross the border line.
Yeah. So first you color the borders from one corner to another corner, and ensure that they fill the colors completely. They can do it slowly, and please ensure that they don't cross the lines, and the pressure has to be gently applied. Not too light or not too strong.
Same shade throughout the shape.
Yeah, you can have a look at it. It's the same pattern throughout the shape, has to be colored. Okay, so after the coloring activity, just have a look at this writing skills. There are few discipline has to be followed. One is that please ensure to put the date. Okay.
First hold the pencil with your 3
Yeah,
fingers.
that anyhow has to be done throughout the writing activity, that they have to hold the pencil in 3 fingers. Okay. So put the date.
Either they can put the slash or
Yeah.
hyphen.
Yeah, that's fine. And these are the 4-line discipline that the child has to follow.
And left hand should be on.
Yeah, always the other hand has to be on the table only. Okay. And they have to sit straight always. The back should be straight.
First we will see how to write small alphabets.
Yeah. When they are writing a small alphabets, please ensure they write it between the 2 lines. And wherever it is required,
they should touch the red line.
yeah, bottom line or the top line. This discipline has to be followed, and the letters has to be straight, always straight.
And one more thing, when other sentence.
Okay. So please ensure to give
Now we'll
the
show
gap, the space between the letters.
should be equal.
Yeah. These things you can just teach a child or take care while they are writing, and better you sit next to them always. Do not hold their hands, please.
And again it has to be a wrist movement, not
Yeah.
complete hand movement.
They should not hold or press the pencil too hard.
This much. Here
Yeah.
BD we touched.
And the pencil
Top
is
line.
nicely sharpened. Not too much of pressure again. The impression should not go on to the next level or next page.
Now we'll see how to write capital letters.
Yeah, now the capital letters has to be the top red line touching the second blue line, always. And whenever you see that they are not following the line discipline or the letters are not in shape, teach them. Before they complete the writing, you stop them and teach them. This is what we do even at the school when they come here. If you allow and accept the way they write, they will never learn the shapes.
If they write like this, please don't
Yeah,
accept.
don't accept these kind of things.
They have to write F like
Straight
this.
line, it has to be straight line always. Straight standing and straight sleeping line.
And these two sleeping lines should be equal.
Yeah, and that has to be equal. So these are the small discipline that you have to take care.
Now we see how to.
So this is a common video we are making even for nursery, LKG and UKG. So now we will see how to write a sentence, like when they combine words and letters and make a word. This is how the distance between 2 letters has to be less.
And always the starting letter should be capital.
Yeah.
And if you are writing the sentences more than one, please within the margin put the number.
Yeah.
He Keep your finger. Initially, encourage
One
the
finger
child
space.
to learn this finger space. And after that, they can look at the space and they can judge. And full stop.
And look at the numbers, how to write the numbers in a box book.
First, I'll show you how to write the numbers. No place value
Please.
system, nothing. Only when they start writing numbers, they should touch the bottom line, and one should be straight line, standing line. 2, they have to start and write a slanting line and then sleeping line. 2, 3, 4.
Allow them to write small, small. Do not write big one.
Yeah.
And if the
5.
child is writing reverse, like mirror image,
Like
please
this.
make them to practice more.
If they are writing 5 like this, only thing is they have to trace.
Yeah, give them more tracing.
This is how till 10 we write, and every number should touch the bottom line. And
So
when it
when
comes
we
to
give
10,
homework,
1,
please ensure.
10.
Yeah.
Now we'll show you how to write in the place value system box. Like first we have to write T,
Which is
O.
tens.
T stands for tens and O stands for ones. So when they write 1 to 10, you have to help the child to write in the ones place.
Till
1,
9.
2, 3, 4. Again here also they have to touch the line and they have to write small numbers, not complete the box. Now after 10 when they write, please stop the child to write here and then leave one line. Every 10 numbers please leave one line and then again write the place value system, tens and ones, and start writing. 1, 1, 11.
Do not
1.
make them to write 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1 first and then 2, 3 and all. No. Please, they have to write the complete number.
And whenever they write, they have to spell
Spell.
it. 1, 2, 12. 1, 3, 13. 1, 4, 14.
Okay, so please take care, parents. Thank you so much.